My tour booking system is way too expensive.
Have you thought about using spreadsheets?
What? How is a spreadsheet gonna help me book, track, manage and confirm all my kayak bookings?
Give me 48 hours. Book and manage your upcoming event bookings. Fully customizable from the control panel. Links to your chosen calendar and forms. Customize everything, from your event name and timings to your form question categories. You can even edit your status options to manage your bookings. Your control panel integrates with all other sheets. Create and update your bespoke form with the click of a button. Customize your form directly from the control panel. Update the form with the click of a button. Enter the available dates for your events and update your calendar and form with ease. And link your form responses to your spreadsheet so your event goers can enter in their information. You can edit any fields directly in the sheet.
This is perfect. I have a gift for you as a thank you. Good afternoon all. I hope you are well. Please find below the link to reserve your chosen day event. Kind regards. Utility.